guys, it's me from the future. As I was editing this video, I realized that the sound quality is really poor. I have no idea exactly what happened, but I didn't want to just scrap the whole thing because most of it you can hear me going through things. So what I'm walking you through is a Pop Century room tour. And we were in the 90s section. So we have a quiet pool. Everything is built in centered around 90s themed. We were in room 9390, I think is what it was. But I just wanted to come on here and apologize for the really poor sound quality. I hope that doesn't put a ding on things, but you still get a decent room tour, so let me take it and show you around the rest of the room.
So cool. Alright, so
Alright, welcome home.
let me go ahead and turn you guys around and we'll do the full room tour. Okay, so as you come in, this was the lock that I had, so you can lock there. Regular handle, lock there. As I come on around, your evacuation room route from Pop Century, you have your curtains that go out to the pool out there itself. Honey, would you mind closing the curtains so that way we can see kind of what it says? Because I haven't looked at it yet.
Oh boy, is what it says.
But there's a Mickey Mouse down there.
Oh, there's a Mickey Mouse down there. Okay.
That's kind of cool.
It's cool.
Okay, we're going to need some light because we haven't
Here we
turned
go.
on the lights yet. Thank you, honey.
I'm done.
Alright, still coming on around. I'm going to come up right and close in hubby's face.
Okay.
This is your thermostat up and down mode, so that way you can kind of play with that. And then we're going to come on around here. This is table and chairs. It's actually kind of nice. That is a large
It's a very large table.
table because that's a actual whole pizza box that we got down at Pop All You Can Eats, I think is what it's called, from the quick service. It does have your lovely okay, it is off. I had to double check. This is your Hey Disney, so you will have that here. You have your pamphlet and your room occupied, no housekeeping service type situation. Coming all the way around. Beautiful TV. Yes, it is our anniversary, so. And then we are coming on over here, 2 regular plugs, USB-C and a regular USB. So we have that going on. Gonna mute TV. Remote. On day of check-in, you will get housekeeping service every other day. So we're only really here for 3 nights.
3 nights.
So we'll only get housekeeping 1 day. So coming on around, same thing on the other side, 2 regular plugs. But this has 2 regular USBs, no USB-C here. Looks like 3 drawers and cabinets. I'm not sure what's in the cabinets. Oh, there's your safe.
Oh.
And some extra space, and it looks like an extra pillow. Quiet shutting. Nope. Mostly quiet shutting. Looks like 3 drawers here. Pretty shallow because I'm only looking at my fingertips. Unless you're looking at the whole drawer itself, but so only 3 drawers there. Now we have, this can be a conjoining room, so if you have that option, if you're asking for that option, this is a room that will do that. And then you have your wall hangers. This is your barn style door. Now that one is a quiet shutting door, so that's nice. Open it back up. Good. Let's find some lights for this room. I think it's over here. Aha, lights. Here is your closet. It looks like they've gotten rid of this top extra space that possibly could have been like when we stayed at All Star Sports. So you just have this little bit of closet space here and 2 drawer space. I don't want to call them drawers, but 2 locations to be able to put some more things. You have your ironing board, and I think this thing comes out of, it's kind of wobbly. Stick that back in that. Another shelf. I guess you could use this as a shelf because this actually, oh no, that is flat. Hair dryer. Okay. Toilet paper, tissues. 2 more spaces over there with a steam iron coming around to your sink. 2 more spaces here to kind of put some things. Your receptacle bin. I think it's interesting. It is a single vanity, but I guess to have dual purpose here.
That's what it looks like to me.
That's what I can think of. They have officially changed over to the sea salt hand soap and body lotion. You have your bath soap here. Light, 2 regular plugs. You do have your makeup mirror, regular, over intensified. I don't think you need that. Close that back up. It does on off. So we'll just turn that off. You did have your box of tissues over here. This is the bathroom, or the rest of the bathroom. This is the actual shower location. Looks like the only light we have in this room is the one that's in the shower. So this room is actually a little darker than I would really think it should be. But towel hangers, toilet paper, more towel hangers. This is your standing shower. So, looks like rainfall shower with the extra detachable head. And then, oh, that is a step up, you guys. And then a little slight step down. This is for bathing suits or towels or anything alike. Put that back. I'm going to carefully step out to the shower. Really pretty tile work though. However, this is your only little space to put your toiletries, and it's not very big.
Oh, that's a really pretty shower.
Yeah. Glass door. So there's that. Coming back going around. This door does close. Looks like you can kind of pull at this little tabby handle. This tabby handle to open it. It does get you a full-length mirror for those, but you can't back up too far. Really only enough for you to kind of look. But full-length mirror here. Looks like the only way that you can really lock it though is from the other side. Let's take a look at it. Interesting. So it's your pull tab, but it's also your locking mechanism. Interesting. Right, coming on around. Now, we have a king size bed. We did not request a king size bed.
Nope.
However, we're also not going to complain that it is a wonderful king size bed. Anyway. So that explains all of the extra room where my husband is standing.
All the room for all the exercises.
I didn't know we were exercising.
Well, we're going to be doing 20 down the steps for more day, so yes, that's our exercise for the day.
Okay. All right. Coming over here, you do have this little itty bitty nightstand with a little itty bitty shelf location. You have a light which turns on that. You do have one on the other side, so that's nice. 2 regular plugs, one USB-C and one USB. Very fake rug under the bed.
I thought it was real for a second when we came in.
Nope, it's fake.
I got it.
Location to put excess luggage, which we are going to need.
Yep.
Repeat on this side, mostly. Light switch. 2 regular plugs, and these are 2 regular USBs. Here's the telephone. And your little nightstand. Recycling, trash, kitchen area. Ice bucket, cups, coffee station area, which looks like also has ta-da, a light.
That's where the light is, okay.
And 2 regular plugs. And then come down and around. This is just a beverage cooler. It does have the little sticker on it that says it cools to 41 degrees and above. So no dairy products. And then you have one last thing, which is your light switch for the
Light right behind us.
light behind us at the table. Ta-da. Light switch, on and off. And that would be our room tour from here at Pop Century with a king size bed. Now you can request a king size bed. We did not actually request it, but they did give it to us, so that is something that we actually are going to look forward to for the next 3 nights, because then I think we go down to a queen size bed. So you can ask for a king or request it, but there's that. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe, hit the little notification button, and let's see, what else are you guys looking for? What other rooms? I know I've done a decent amount of them, but if there's one in particular that we haven't stayed at and you're looking for, please let me know down in the comments, so that way we can make that happen on our next trip. Until next time, bye guys.